In this video, we will upgrade operating system on a remote server from Debian 10 to Debian 11. Let's connect to the server using SSH. This is the IP address of the server. Take the terminal. The command is SSH -p. -p is for port. This server uses 3333 as SSH port. Username is root @IP address. I have key-based authentication enabled for this server, so we are logged into the server. Let's check the current version of operating system. The command is lsb_release -a. We are using Debian 10 Buster. Before we can upgrade the operating system, we need to do the package update with the apt update and apt upgrade. Copy the command and run it in the terminal. When you upgrade operating system from one version to another, there is a possibility something can go wrong. So make sure you take a backup. In most cases, you will be able to do the upgrade without any problem. The apt update and apt upgrade is completed. If you check the version lsb release -a, you will see it is still Debian 10. What we've done is update the server to the latest Debian 10 software release. Next, we need to remove any unused packages with the command apt auto remove. We have few packages that is not used. Do you want to continue? Press capital Y. We have removed all unused packages from the server. Next, we need to make a copy of the sources.list file. Let's copy this command and run it in the terminal. That will copy this file to the current directory. So in case you need, you can refer back. To see the file, you can use the command ls-l grep sources. Next, run this command. It will change the content of this file etc apt sources.list. Let's see the content of the file. Copy the full path to the file name. The command is cat/etc/apt/sources.list. You can see the file have bluster in 4 places. We need to replace bluster with the code name of the new release, that is bullseye. We can edit this file or use the set command. Let us use the set command. That will replace all occurrence of bluster with bullseye. Now let's check the content of the file again. cat/etc/apt/sources.list. We have the bluster changed to bullseye. Next, we need to update the repository cache. The command is apt update. We have one of these entries failing. Let's comment it out. Edit the file etc apt sources.list. This line is failing. Let us comment it out. Let's save the file. For that, escape wq. Now run the apt update again. Now we can upgrade the software with apt upgrade command. Run apt upgrade. We have 379 packages to be updated. 44 new packages will be installed. To continue with the upgrade, press Y, press enter. The packages are getting upgraded. The progress is 6%. I will pause the video now and continue after the upgrade is completed. During the upgrade, it is asking if it's okay to restart services. We will answer yes. During the Nginx upgrade, it is asking if you want to replace the Nginx config with the new version. We have the option Y or I to install the new version. N or O means you will keep the current version. To see the difference, you can use the option D. We have some custom configurations. The default option is N. I will keep the current version. Again N. If you are replacing any config, make sure you have a backup of the config file. So in case any problem, you can compare the two files and make the changes as required. apt upgrade completed, but there is an error with the MariaDB upgrade. Let's run apt upgrade again. It is trying to upgrade failed MariaDB server upgrade. The upgrade is completed now. Let's see if MariaDB is running. MySQL. It is working properly now. Exit MySQL prompt. Now we need to do the final step, that is apt full upgrade. Copy the command. Run the command apt full upgrade. Press Y to continue. Apt full upgrade is now completed. Next we have to reboot the server. Before we reboot, we need to make sure SSH is working. netstat -lntp grep SSH. We have SSH running on port 22. Let's see if we can connect. It is trying to connect to port 3333. So that is the old SSH port. I will change the SSH port to 3333. For that, edit the file vi etc sshd _config. Here find 22. Here you can see port 22 and comment the line. Then we need to replace 22 with 3333. To change a word, the command is cw. Then enter the new port 3333. Press escape to go back to command mode. To save :wq. Now let's restart the SSH service. systemctl restart SSH. Now let's see if we can SSH. SSH is working. Let's see the version of operating system. lsb_release -a. We are now using Debian 11 Bullseye. Let's reboot the server. To see if the server is back online, use the command ping IP address. When the server is back online, you will see the response from the server. We started getting response now. Control C. Control C will stop the ping command. Let's connect to the server. SSH -b 3333 root @ IP address. We are able to connect to the server. That is how you upgrade Debian 10 to Debian 11 on a remote server. Thank you for watching. Hope you find the video useful. If you like the video, please subscribe for more videos like this.